Hey guys, what's going on? So if you're getting started with affiliate marketing or you're new to affiliate marketing and you're not quite sure exactly how this works, then this is going to be a great video for you because I want to address this email that I got yesterday because I think this really is a good example of a lot of the confusion that beginners have when they're first thinking about starting with affiliate marketing. So this is from a girl named Reese, and I'm not trying to embarrass her. I'm not trying to call her out. Let's make that clear. I just think a lot of people have these kind of same misunderstandings or lack of knowledge with regards to affiliate marketing. So I want to clear that up so we can hopefully help you get closer to your goal. So it says I've completed the first day of the challenge, and what she's talking about here is she's talking about the 15-day business builder challenge. So if you're not familiar, the 15-day business builder challenge is the number one way that I recommend that people get started if they want to learn how to do high ticket affiliate marketing, which is the kind of affiliate marketing that I do. She says, I'm curious how all this works. If I'm not selling my own product, I thought you could do this using your Facebook and Instagram, copying links. How do I get affiliate marketing if I don't have a website, my own product question, or over 1,000 followers or 10,000 followers on Instagram to be able to have people swipe up, right? So you can definitely sense that there's a lot of confusion going on. And what I'm seeing here is that Reese is kind of like tapping into her existing knowledge of how affiliate marketing might work and then asking questions with regards to that. Now, the problem here is there's 1,000 different ways to do affiliate marketing. And so let's start there with the 10,000 followers on Instagram thing. So she's probably familiar with affiliate marketing on Instagram from the influencers, right? So if you follow influencers on Instagram, you know that they might do stories where they talk about products or clothing that they purchased, maybe from Amazon. And then a lot of times they'll tell you, hey, if you want to buy this shirt or whatever, you can get it on Amazon by swiping it up, and then they'll link you to some sort of link tree or something where you can actually go find the product, right? So that's definitely one way to do affiliate marketing. If you want to be an influencer and you want to build that following, right? That's a way to add a revenue stream. However, that's not exactly the type of affiliate marketing I do, and it's not the type of affiliate marketing that Legendary Marketer teaches. So the first thing we have to do is get that 10,000 followers on Instagram thing out of our mind. Like, unless you're already established, unless you already have the influencer status or influencer following, and you want to add income stream, then just get that out of your head right now. The second thing she talks about is you don't have your own product, right? So that's the cool thing about affiliate marketing. You don't have to have your own product. As a matter of fact, you don't need your own product at all, and you shouldn't even create one because that's just going to cause more confusion. So affiliate marketing is pretty simple. You just partner with an established product or an established company, right? And that established company is going to have a line of products. It could be something like Amazon, which sells physical goods, or it could be something like Legendary Marketer, which is my recommended affiliate partner. They sell digital goods, which is digital education, and they also sell coaching, right? But the bottom line is they have a collection of products. Well, as an affiliate of theirs, right, I partner with them, and then I can promote their products using my links. The link is just a tracking, right? That's all it's for. The link is just a way to track visitors. We don't promote links, right? We promote products. We promote them as our own, but because we're affiliates, we don't actually have to fulfill on them, right? It's kind of like we're a freelance digital marketer for another established company, but we have to treat it like we're a salesman for that company, right? Or a marketer for that company. Does that make sense? Like we treat them like our own products, but they're not our own products. The other concern there was the website, which is what if I don't have my own website? The bottom line is if you're going to do affiliate marketing the way I do it, chances are you're going to need a website because we need that website as affiliates in order to capture leads, right? So what we use is a simple 2-page website at the very least, and that's called a bridge page. And the first page is going to be an opt-in page or a squeeze page. Basically, it's going to be an introduction that gets people to want to give us their email address in exchange for some more information or a freebie or whatever. Then the second page that they hit on after they give us their email is going to be the actual bridge page where we host a little introductory video where we recommend the affiliate product that we're promoting. Once again, all this is taught as you go through the 15-day business builder challenge, but I did want to address that. So the bottom line is the way I teach affiliate marketing, we build a business around the affiliate product that we promote, right? Like we don't talk about our daily lives. We don't necessarily, talk about what happened this morning in order to build the engaged following. We try to create content that's going to be attractive to the ideal customer. Then we make a recommendation to the product that can help them solve the problem that they have, right? So we're building a business around that affiliate product that we promote. And since we're building a business, right, we actually are going to need to build a website. So a website is an important part of it. So that is something that you'll have to create. She says, I think you could do this. I thought you could do this using your Facebook and Instagram and copying links. Okay, right? So basically what I'm hearing there is she's still set on this getting people to click on the links thing. And I think that's a big misconception with affiliate marketing. So it's not getting traffic to the links, right? Like we don't build up a following and then just say, hey, go buy this thing and people, and expect people to buy it, right? Like that's not going to happen. What we need to do is we need to create a quote unquote campaign. So for example, instead of using Instagram, that's hard to get a following, maybe we use something like TikTok, right? It's really easy to get views on TikTok. So let's say we're promoting something like, let's just use a completely different example here. Let's pretend we're doing an affiliate marketing campaign for a yoga class, an online yoga class, right? So obviously we're going to partner with a company that has a collection of products that teach yoga. It could be digital courses or coaching, right? Regardless, those things are going to cost money. Well, guess what we can do? We can refer people to them with the affiliate link, which is the link. And when people buy those things that cost money, the company who sells the yoga education, they're going to give us a percentage of that, right? That's our affiliate commission. Okay, so the link itself is just tracking, right? We've already established that. So what do we need to do? Well, we could go on TikTok and we could create content that might attract people who might be interested in purchasing a yoga program, right? So what are we going to do? Are we going to make content that's attractive to people who are hardcore yogis? Is that a thing? I don't know. No, because they're not going to buy an introductory course. What we're going to do is we're going to make content that's going to attract people who are interested in starting yoga, right? So that might be, hey, I used to be 20 pounds overweight, and then I started yoga for the first time, and it helped me hit my goal weight, right? Or, hey, here's this easiest way to get started with yoga. This move is super beginner friendly, or 3 beginner friendly yoga moves, right? Like that's the kind of content that's going to attract people that are going to be interested in buying a beginner yoga program, right? That makes sense. Like we're teaching the basics and then offering them the opportunity to learn more by clicking on our link and go purchase the program that we're promoting, right? Now, the best way to do that would be to first collect the email address, right? Instead of direct linking from social media, we want to collect the email address. That's what we need the website for. And the reason we do that is because we want to follow up with people because people are busy. So when they see our TikTok and think, hey, this person's teaching yoga or whatever, they're not going to be ready to buy. So we want to have that email in order to follow up with them. And we do that with automated email sequences, right? So once again, I don't promote yoga stuff. I promote digital marketing education. That's what Reese is trying to do as well. The reason we do that is because it's a little bit higher price point. So instead of earning like $30 commissions, we can earn like $1,000 commissions. But that's the whole idea. So just to kind of summarize, you need a website. It's not just about promoting links. We build campaigns around products like they're ours. And because we're affiliates, luckily we don't have to deal with the product creation, the customer service, the fulfillment, any of that. We just refer the traffic, right? We just become the freelance marketers. So hopefully that's helpful. Hopefully that helps you understand a little bit more about what affiliate marketing is all about. If you want to follow Reese's lead and also start with my #1 recommended way to learn affiliate marketing and digital marketing, you can either click the link that's somewhere around this video or go over to my15daychallenge.com to learn more about the Business Builder Challenge. And if you have any questions after you get on my email list, make sure you reach out to me because I'm happy to help you and we'll get you started on your high ticket affiliate marketing journey. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Bye now.